Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Airtable. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, open the specific base and the table where you suspect duplicates might live. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct table will save time later. At the top of the interface, look for the toolbar. You can use either sort or group to surface duplicates quickly. Sort is great for a fast scan because it lines up similar values together. Group is even more visual. It stacks records into buckets so identical values land in the same group. Choose the field you want to check. Common choices are a name, an email, a company, or any field that should be unique for your use case. If you're unsure which field to start with, pick the one that most clearly identifies a person, item, or event in your workflow. Once you've applied sort or group, review the results. With sort, scroll through the column and watch for the same value appearing back to back. With group, look at each group header. Any group that shows more than one record likely indicates a duplicate. This view makes it easy to spot issues like inconsistent capitalization or minor spelling differences that can hide duplicates. If your table is large, use filter to narrow the list and speed up review. For example, you can filter out blank values in the target field, so you're only looking at meaningful entries. You can also filter by a status or date range to focus on the slice of data you care about right now. Filters don't change your data. They simply streamline what you see. When you find potential duplicates, compare the records carefully. Open them to review details side by side and confirm they truly represent the same thing. Look for matching identifiers, context in notes, or related fields that validate your decision. If the records are similar but not identical, decide which one is the authoritative version. Now clean up, edit a record to correct mistakes, merge information by consolidating the most complete details into one record, and then delete any true duplicate entries you no longer need. If you're working with linked records, update links to point to the final record before removing the extra one. Take your time here. Accuracy is more important than speed. That's it. By using sort or group, narrowing with filter, comparing carefully, and then editing, merging, or deleting, you can keep your Airtable clean, accurate, and easy to trust.